What is up, YouTube? I got a haircut finally, but that's not really what today's video is about. Today, what are we doing today?
Teggy's coming to my house.
Later today, Hanarae's coming. We're gonna pick up a car dolly and tow Teggy up to Ray's house. In the meantime, we're gonna clean out Froggy, take everything I want from her. I'm actually gonna leave the tires on and the bull bar and light bar and the tail lights because I'm thinking that that'll help her sell with the blown motor. But I am gonna take the radio out and also all these coins because that's a lot of money in there. Okay, so we finished cleaning out the Ford, taking everything that doesn't belong in there out. And now the last thing we're gonna do is take out this radio and we're gonna put it into Betsy.
Yep.
Oh, look who it is. What's up? Okay, Joey. Okay, so we just measured the radio and we just measured the
Betsy's hole.
Yeah, the hole. And the radio is 4 inches and this is only 3 and like a quarter.
So
we could either cut this out or not do it. Or you could have Teggy's radio and I could put that radio.
I really like that radio though.
I know.
Fine,
You'll at least
I'll
have
take
Bluetooth.
Teggy's radio, fine.
Yeah?
I can't be picky.
Okay, so we're taking 3 radios out today.
Yes!
So how's this going? You got it?
I finally got this off.
Oh,
guys,
this whole...
never buy Chevy Blazer. I didn't say that.
This whole piece you got
have to unscrew this. Then you gotta get these two that are under here. And then this one up here. And then this finally comes off, but then you need to detach this stuff, and this stuff.
Okay, so I just checked on U-Haul, and from where we were gonna plan on picking it up, they don't have a car dolly available. So I'm gonna have to find other places nearby that have one available. So I got the rental secured, and Hanarae's here now, and we're towing it with the beast.
Yo.
Music is cool.
Continue on to Gordon's Corner.
All right, so we're at the place, and we got the tow dolly. Check this out. This thing's sick. Alright, so we're back at my house, and we organized a driveway so I could get G's truck in front and pull this thing behind and pull it onto the trailer. So, Jevin here, this man just pulls up in a work van.
Why the hell you got that?
To pull the Integra.
Yeah. Everybody's cars are broken.
I know.
What's wrong with that one now?
No, nothing.
Oh,
we were just taking the radio out.
What? Why? What?
We're switching radios.
Oh.
Because
you're gonna take the radio out that?
I took the radio out of that, putting it in here, and taking the radio from here and putting it in there.
Okay. Teggy. Start a bonfire.
I'm trying to...
Any day now.
Because I can't leave this on for too long.
You're about to run out of gas already. Oh snap! You really went for it. Just you're already going. Just go.
Maybe we should take the lip off.
Yeah, maybe you should take the lip off. Take the lip off. So this is Teggy, guys. If you guys don't know, it's It has quad turbos,
Yep.
as you can see.
This is
a-
here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yes, 4 mini turbos. It's pretty crazy.
So that's why it's quad turbo.
First thing on the list is he's gonna repaint his engine cover.
Yeah. I have to do a Chris Fix super clean.
Wait, let's get some good dramatic fixing shots. Oh my
Yeah.
god, we have a lot of work to do on this thing.
Yeah, but I can't wait to see this thing back.
Yeah, dude, this thing's honestly.
Where did we go that one?
Me and St. John were just talking. Me and St. John were talking 2 nights ago, and we were like, "Yo, Lundy should be in a tuner again." So look, you're back in it.
Something else holding it on?
Oh. You should put like some music over this.
Here it is. You lost something though.
Oh, that doesn't really matter.
If you guys are wondering,
This is why you buy a truck, okay?
does the Silverado fit an Integra bumper in it?
Yes,
Yes, it does. I know.
But again.
Hello. So what's going on here? What happened to your house?
Start her up.
What happened to my house?
The driveway.
The driveway? Oh.
You got
David,
cars.
you gotta go
Dude, you have more
really
cars than me.
Alright, I'll try.
I don't know about that, Jevin.
Hello. It looks nice like this.
Yeah, we're keeping it like this. All right.
No bumper.
Really slow, David.
There it is. You're in. You can see the pearl, yeah. Now you wrap those around. How's your day going? Yeah, it's leaking gas. How's your day? This is for the vlog.
It's a great day.
Yay! She's killing it. She's killing it. No, you're doing amazing. You're killing the vlog.
This is gonna be fun. Look how much I'm driving. This is like.
It's like another Silverado.
Yeah, nah, it's bigger than that. This is gonna be fun. Look at this. Hold on, let's come back here.
All right.
And let's look at all that I'm driving.
Holy.
You ready for this?
Actually,
shit?
kind of
Someone to pull
ridiculous.
this.
That's a big.
Yeah.
Disco. Disco.
Disco down.
Disco. Disco down.
Disco down.
Gotta get Taco Bell before doing anything. Roger. Alright. We're fueled up and ready to go. Cold. Okay, so we got it here safely. Just gotta put it out back. Well, I'm kind of locked in the car. Unfortunately, I left the window open.
Yeah.
So you can unlock it for
how
me.
are we gonna shut that if it rains?
Well, I need to unlock. I need to unlock it anyway, so it's a good thing that it's open. Well, here's Teggy's current home for.
Guys, I'm driving her to school tomorrow. Don't tell David.
Oh yeah, you'll be doing that. You'll be driving my Integra to school tomorrow. But this is her current home for the next couple days. Gee, I just say thank you so much. Really appreciate it, lifesaver.
Gas is right up here on the right.
Yep.
Like you can get in the gas station from here.
Wow, cool sunset. Ooh.
Yeah, that's right.
Ooh, tunnel. Sounds good. Okay, so this guy, this Prius in front of us, has been driving with no headlights on this whole time, and we flashed his high beams. We flashed our high beams like a million times, and so did like someone else, and he still doesn't get the message. Moron.
Tell him, Gene. Oh, he looked at you! He looked at you!
Put your lights on!
Put your lights on! Put your lights!
Alright guys, so we just paid a ridiculous fee getting off the turnpike. $24 because we have a tiny trailer connected. We had to pay $24. Thank you so much again. Okay, so today was an eventful day, but we got the car safely up to Hanarae's house, and now we're back at my house. and I'm just working on yesterday's vlog. Gonna upload that tomorrow, and yeah.
Lesson of the day: the turnpike is booty.
Yes.
Don't use it.
Don't ever. Our mistake was Gennaro went through
Easy
Pass first, and then when we got off and we went through Cash, so they just charged us for the entire length of the turnpike rather than just the small stretch we did. So we made a mistake. Don't ever do that. Also, tomorrow's our 1 year anniversary, so we're super excited for that. But with all this going on, the Ford blowing up and having to work on the Integra,
it's kind of like a gift to me though, because I like Teggy better than the Ford.
yeah, that's our 1 year gift. I'm bringing Teggy back.
Okay, sounds good.
But yeah, we're just a little bit distracted by other things. So that's it for today. With tomorrow being our 1 year, I don't really know if we're gonna end up going on a date or work on the Integra.
Probably work on the Integra.
Yeah, so.
Or put a mirror on Betsy because I smashed my mirror to pieces today. Or put the radios back in. So
Yeah, so
just card stuff.
yeah, I don't really think we'll be going on a date or anything special, but
we'll make
yeah.
it a date.
Yeah, we'll make it a date. But that's it for today. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.